Listen carefully. Let's start, okay? So this time it will be on the whiteboard on our computer. Okay. Listen carefully. This is the definition of, we can say it's a definition or a description. Write it. We use their, don't write anything, please. Okay, we use there was for singular we use there was for singular objects, but we use there were for plural objects. Done. That's the description, okay? Write that. Let's change the color of there were and there was. Oops, sorry. Please don't write anything on the board. Yes, Honya, write it on your notebook, okay? Write that on your notebook. Okay. Make this bracket, please. Let me clear that. Okay. We use, sorry, there's something. You have to write that. Write something else here, okay? For plural objects in past tense. Okay. Tense. Done. We use there was for singular objects, but we use there were for plural objects in the past. Okay? In past. Past. Let's explain. What is singular? Singular is one. Okay? One. If it's one thing, we call it singular. But if it's two things, or three, or four, or five more, we call it plural. Okay? But for an object, the name of something. Okay? So, we have nouns, but we have countable nouns, countable and non-countable nouns, okay? Let me give you an example. Let that be read. 6, read. Okay, this is an example, okay? We would say there is a book There is a book, there is one book in my bag, okay? There is one book, okay? There is a book, it means there is one book. And also, we can say there are, oh, sorry, we forgot something. We talk about past, okay? Sorry, let me fix that. We say there was, okay? Don't forget. There was. There were 2 books in my bag. There were 2 books in my bag. Okay, so that one is, we call it singular, but this one is plural. Okay, plural. Don't forget. Singular, plural sentences. Okay, singular. Look, yeah, Aisan, write everything. Write everything I write on here. Okay. There was a book in my bag is singular, but there were 2 books in my bag is plural, okay? We talk about 2 things, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, even 1,000, we say there were. But if it's 1, we say there was, okay? What's the meaning of there were or there was? It means here. Look, notes with me. I can't say there is a book if I hold it, okay? But if I don't have the book here, okay, I have it, for example, on the desk, I say there, or for example, it's in my bag. So I say there is a book in my bag. There was a book in my bag. There were past 2 books in my bag, okay? As I said, this is past, not now, past, yesterday. We talk about yesterday, okay? If it's now, you can say there is, okay? There is or there are. So there's something you have to understand. See, we have countable and non-countable names, okay? So let's write here. Countable, non-countable. Countable, non-countable, okay? The names. For example, countables. Let's write. For the countables, we have the word book, books. We can say 2 books, 3 books. We have the name of desk. You can say 3 desks, 2 desks, okay? The word TV. TVs. How many TVs you have? For example, you have 2 TVs in your home, okay? You can say all of that. Another example, maybe a chair. Chair is countable, okay? Chair. How many chairs? 2 chairs, 3 chairs. Let's come to, so, okay, so let me explain that, why this is important, okay? But in non-countable, when we have non-countable, listen carefully. For example, milk. Can you say I have 2 milk? No, you can't say I have 2 milk. Can you say water? No. Water. No, you can't say I have 2 water. You see? You see the countable or non-countable? You can't say I have 2 books, but you can't say I have 2 water. No. Or you can, for example, something else. Milk, water, money. Money also. You can't say I have, for example, I have 2 money, or I have 10 money. No, you can't say that, okay? So, let's give it some examples. So, if I want to give an example about accountable, it's really easy, okay? For an accountable. If I say 1 book, I will just say there was. But if I say 2 books, I'll just say there were, okay? But let's try the example. For example, TV. I have, no. There were 2 TVs in my house. Okay, let's move that up a little bit. Okay. Okay, there were 2 TVs in my house, or we can say another example. There was a TV in my house. There were 2 TVs in my house. There is, or there was, a TV in my house. Okay, that's 2 examples here. But let's make a line here. Can I say I have, for example, can I say there were 2 milks? No, I can't say there were 2 milks. So I have to use something, we call it, let's move that away a little bit. We call it, we can say that we make the non-countables countable by adding something, okay? Don't just write, okay? Listen to me too, so you can understand what I say. So, by that, I mean is that, for example, we can add, okay, we can add and say a bottle, okay, bottle. Let's make it small. No, sorry, it's small. We can say a bottle of milk. Okay, bottle of milk. We can say glass of water, and we can use some. Okay. Bottle of wait, let me just fix that and I will okay, great. We can say when it's non-countable, okay, we can say a bottle, one bottle of milk, one bottle of milk, two bottle of milk, but we can't say two milk, okay? Water, we can't say two water, we can say, so we should say 2 glasses of water, 3 glasses of water, 4 glasses of water, 1 glass of water. And for everything, we can say some. Some milk, some water, some money, okay? You don't say, can you give me 2 money? No, you say, give me some money, or give me just some money. If you want to say for money, you have to say the name of the money. For example, dollar, or you can say dinar, okay? You have to say, for example, give me 1,000, okay? Or you can say, give me $2, give me $10, okay? Dollar, but not money. You can't say, give me 10 money. You just have to say, give me some money, okay? Some money. Let's give it some examples. The first example will be, let's make it bigger a little bit. And right here. The first example will be, there was a bottle of milk in my bag. Let's just use bag again. There was a bottle of milk in my bag, and we can also say, please move. Okay, it doesn't move. And also we can say, let's give it another example. There was some money. Look, there was some money. Some, look, some means 2, yeah? 2, 3, 4, yeah? But we don't say there were, okay? Be careful, because money is not accountable. Not countable, okay? Be careful, it's not countable. So there, you don't have to say there were some money. You should say there was some money, okay? That's something important, don't forget that. Okay. Let's move that up a little bit. Sorry. Let's fix that. Okay. And I will give you another example because this is important, okay? Another example. You can say there were in one condition. For example, you would say there were 2 glasses of water on the desk. Okay. Look, we use it there were, but on a condition that we have to say there were 2 glasses of water, not there were 2 water, okay? Okay. We are done here. We are done. Not with the class. We are not done with the class, okay? Just with this one. Let's take a picture. Can I take a picture of this one? Yes, chat, teacher. Aline, it's okay. You can, for example, you can write this one first, after write this one, okay? If your notebook is small. It's okay that you don't have to write both of them at the same page. You can write this one first, after go there, okay? Okay. Vina, 1 minute, just let me take the picture so I can send you, okay? Don't send any messages, please, till I take the picture for you. Okay. Okay. Okay, sorry. Let's just unmute all of you. Okay. Now you can unmute yourself, okay? Let's start with Vina. Vina raised his hand. Yes, Vina?
Sure, I don't raise my hand.
Yeah, you did it in the program, in Zoom. You see?
Okay. Sure, I will gonna tell you when we have an milk, what we can say?
When you have what?
Water.
Water. Look, I told you. You can't say, I have 2 water, okay? You have to say, I have 2 glasses of water. You understand now?
Yes, teacher, but when I don't have any glasses,
Vina.
and how I can tell?
Vina, the thing that you drink the glass in it, whether it's a bottle, whether it's a glass, whether it's a flask.
I'm finished.
Okay. Mansur, I said, don't say finish in the chat, in the sound, just in the chat. Okay, listen. Just the thing that you drink or you put the thing inside, okay? If it's in the glass, you say glasses of water. If it's in the bottle, the water in the bottle, You say, I have 1 bottle of water, or I have 2 bottles of water, okay?
Okay.
Anything that you put the water or the milk inside. For example, milk can be in gallons. You have to say, I have 2 gallons of milk. You know what is gallon? Gallon is bigger than bottle, okay?
Okay.
That, you got it?
Thank you.
You will.
Yes.
I said, teacher, look at my camera and then, okay. Good, good. Yes, awesome. Okay, not just bottle, anything else that's not countable. For example, rice. Do you know what's the meaning of rice?
Yes.
Good. You don't have to say that I have 2 rice. I have 3 rice. No, you use
I have some.
you use kilo this time. You would say I have 2 kilos of rice. Okay. I have, for example,
Teacher, can you say some?
Teacher, I don't write all. Can you?
yeah, I'll send you, okay? For
Teacher,
example,
can you
sunflower,
say?
sunflower, you have,
Teacher,
My hand is broken. I just tried it. My hand is broken.
okay, okay.
Teacher Ahmed,
1 minute, 1 minute. For
can
example,
you say some?
yeah, excellent. If you don't know, if you don't know how to use anything, you can say some, okay? If you don't know,
Okay.
if you don't know how to say, for example, 2 bottles of water, you can say
Teacher.
some water, okay?
Teacher,
Good.
I don't write all.